Hi ladies, Julie here, and I want to just ask you quickly, have you got your wardrobe ready for summer? Depending on if you have a large or a small closet, sometimes we tend to ignore our closet. So make sure that you've updated it and got it organized for the season. I'm going to turn my camera around so that you can see what mine looks like here today. Okay, so ladies, here's a simple way to organize your closet. See how I've got all of my sleeveless tops sort of by color here at the front of my closet. Then I go into my short sleeves, and again, I've got them by color. Then I go into my 3/4 or longer sleeves at more towards the back, depending upon when I might wear those. Let's scan a little bit. There we go. Okay, so then I'm going to go down to my bottom rack, and this is where I've got my slacks, my camis. By the way, this is an awesome cami holder I found on Amazon. And then all of my jackets. And on my shelves, my tees, I've got a basket full of headbands, my sports bras here, and then my dresses. You can tell how often I wear dresses, not very often. So turn it around here, got my shorts out. You probably wonder, what's that up there? That's my gift. I'm going to show you. This is my gift shelf. So when I find something, yeah, I put it up on my gift shelf so that I'll have it when I need a gift. And there's my shorts and my slacks. So, and then I've got over here, here's my shoes. So, fairly small closet. And yeah, just once again, it's easy to get way too many clothes. It's easy to buy things and not take something out. It's easy to put something or leave it in your closet thinking, I'll fit into it someday. If you haven't worn it for over a year, 2 years for sure, get rid of it. Donate it, consign it if it's in good shape, but keep your closet organized. The experts say that we only wear 20% of our clothes 80% of the time. Now, I will tell you that I wear my clothes. I don't keep excess things. A lot of people think I have a ginormous closet, but I really don't. I wear colors that are flattering on me. If you want to know more about that, let me know, because I do color draping as time allows in my studio. And yeah, but be wise about your wardrobe and enjoy your wardrobe. Enjoy who you are. Learn about what looks good on you, what colors, what styles, what sorts of fabrics and things like that. Always here to help you. Have a great day, ladies.